Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you a OEM design GoPro car mount. We know the original GoPro accessories are too expensive and the other cheap mounts available on Amazon India or eBay.in aren't reliable at all. I myself have used a few cheap mounts in my car and many times it had happened that they just fell off. So I was looking for a cheap but reliable GoPro mount because no one wants to get his 40,000 bucks GoPro crushed under wheels of other vehicles. Okay guys, while searching among many different available GoPro mount options, I came across this GoPro mount on Aliexpress.com. This one had pretty good reviews, so I ordered it and received it in 20 days. Okay, so let's open it. Okay guys, you can see this is the vacuum base part, and these are different two types of mounts. And this is okay, so let's open it. Guys, so here it is opened. These are the parts, and this is another, this is the third, and here is the vacuum main part. It is pretty heavy, pretty sturdy, looks pretty sturdy. Yeah, okay. Man, this is really sturdy. Okay, let's see how to make this work. Guys, well, these parts give you different mounting options. You can either mount your GoPro here and just put it on your car, or you can just remove this and put this here, which will give you another different mounting angle, just this, and you can put your GoPro mount here. Okay, and there is another option you can just put it here. If you put this mount, then you have to put your GoPro here and then use this to tighten your GoPro's screw, and it will kind of time consuming to take your GoPro off. This GoPro mount has another option. You can just take this off and put this one here, and okay, so you put this here, and now you can just clip your GoPro in and out, and this you don't have to tighten your GoPro using this every time. Okay, or okay guys, one more thing I would like to show you guys is this GoPro mount has these threads. I don't know if you can see in the camera. Yeah, these are the threads which are here, and in this base also, and it is also in here. Basically it is in every part, and this is here also. So what the benefit of these threads is that if you put it in here and tighten it, there is very less chances, or I don't think it will move at all if you are driving or going through a bump or whatever. Basically, okay guys, so this is basically how it works. And you unlock this is the way to unlock it. Yes, here it is, the lock. You push it, unlock, and then you clean the basically how you put this mount on your car is you just put it on the surface where you want to mount it, and then press this, and then press this button to move the air out from the vacuum, and just lock this button, and this will be locked on your vehicle. Okay, so guys, I will use this mount on my few next trips and will let you know about the review.